I have to press this again. Hello. So here the problem is, you can see this thing is loose, it's coming off, right? So to bring it off, basically what you do is, there is a screw underneath here, first of all, which you'll have to unscrew. Okay, Ryan, you want to do it? This one's already on. Yeah, just unscrew that. So this hole was too big, so we are going to make drill a little hole up here and then install the anchor in there. Okay, so now we are ready here. So we are just going to put the anchor in, just kind of slowly hammer it in, nice and neat. Okay, so now the anchor is in here, you can see. So now we are just going to screw it in. Perfect, there we go. So now we are putting it in. See, just wiggle a little bit, and then it sits in perfect. And then finally we just go back and tighten the screw. Here you can see you're tightening the screw. Alrighty, perfect. And here you can see it's nice and tight, it's all done. Perfect, all done. Thank you, Ian.